We are live. Okay, good. So this is my second attempt. I actually tried one before and it didn't really work out. But anyway, this is my second attempt. Hopefully this is going to work out now. Basically what I'm doing is um, I have this like access to this platform that creates custom GPT. Now what's a custom GPT? It's like Chat GPT that has been trained uh, to answer, like to actually respond to people's questions and interact with people based on the data that you've given it, which in our case would be your company. Now, the use case that I'm looking at of late is you have people that are searching for something specific. Say there's a problem like with power cuts, like I'm in South Africa and we've got this thing called load shedding. So we haven't had some load shedding much since there's elections coming, which is actually quite interesting. But hey, let's not go there. That's just me and my friends who think like, eh. But anyway, we've got something called load shedding, so you get power cuts. Now, as a result, you have there's a demand for solar power supply systems for houses, and people are looking for things like that. So I am going to pretend like I am a person who is in the market to buy this thing because I'm so irritated with the load shedding and I want to handle something. I want to handle it, and I just want to add that to my system, or probably just take my house off the grid or supplement the power so that when there's load shedding, I don't have lights out, kind of a thing. Now I'm looking. So most of the time to find information on that, when I'm shopping around, I'm going to go onto Google. There's a number of businesses or companies that are doing that kind of service, and they would have a website. So when I go to Google, okay, so I'm going to go to Google, and then I'm going to check solar power system for home. Okay, so boom, this guy has paid for the advert, and this one is paid for. It's paid for, and it goes on and on and on and on. No, I don't know my location. It's fine. So I go to the first one, and boom. So now I'm looking for something specific. Let's say I want to know. Um, I want to know if they have um, a system for a house, like my house. Like how much would it cost? Basically, yeah, let's look at that. How much would it cost? So to get that information, I'm gonna have to look. Okay, so I'm gonna like skim through this and see if they are saying anything about that, or I'll probably go to products and pricing. And it says pricing, and then let's go look at that. So they have all this information here. Okay, good. It gives me some information. Oh wow, look, they actually do have a chatbot. So let's see. If I go to that chat, it's not an AI one. It's asking for my name and my email address, which is required. Choose a department, type your message, and hit enter. I don't really want to give you my name and stuff. Yeah, no, it's too soon. So now I'm not going to use that. So I'm just going to have to look for myself. Okay, give me some data on, and then let's go back to the home page. Switch to solar in just 10 days. Oh, okay, good. It's quite fast. Where are they based? Okay, good. So it's there. Ferndale, Johannesburg. That's the phone number. You see, I have to go through all of that. Now, this is the alternative. Basically, let's say it's taking too long for me to get the data. Let me just go to the next one. So I'm going to go back to the Google search that I did. And then I go to the next one. get solar for home. This is financing. I'm not really looking for financing. Solar power solutions, residential solar packages. Okay, good. So let's check that out. I'm just finding a random website to use. That's basically what I'm doing. Deny that. Let's see. Okay, good. So they have, those are the prices, where they based. Okay, they've got all this information. Can actually schedule my appointment there. Oh, there's hybrid systems. Say I just want to know if they have a hybrid system or not. So I would have to look through till I get to the bottom of that one. Anyway, fine. Oh, and then they have yeah, they have all the data. It's all that information. I have a specific question. I want that answered, and then I'll decide whether I stay or go. So one way is this. This is the normal way. Now, this is what I want to do. Now, this platform that I use, which is basically it's chatbot builder.ai. So I can actually create an account here to create. So where I'm going to create this bot. These are all the different communication channels that we can use with this GPT. Now, I am going to say this is, what's the name of the Soli Solar Soli GPT. That's what I'm creating. So okay, good. Continue. Now, account has been created. Now I need to train this GPT on the information that is in this website. So how do I do that? I'll go here to flows. This is a feature that just got added not so long ago. Like those two features actually that just got added not so long ago. The first one is this one. So I am going, why am I going previous? Just get link. Get link or chat. So I'm going to create a new chat here. And I'm going to scrape information from that website. So search URL, and then it says enter the URL you want to use to train your bot. So this is the URL I want to use to train the bot. In fact, let's start with the home page. Okay. Copy. This is where that is. This is completely unrehearsed, so let's just see if this works. If it doesn't, then we'll just have to go the old school way. And it's a new feature, so there's still some, yeah, okay, good. So this text from the website, okay? And then add next URL. Because the page, then let's just go residential. Okay, good. Let's copy that. Copy and paste. All right. Let's add another one. Let's see which one do we want to use for the next one. Oh, FAQs. Yes, that's really good. Let's see how this works. Okay, good. Now that we have all that information, let's create a knowledge base. basically the ChatGPTs and the AI is working behind the scenes right now, putting all this information together to create something called a knowledge base. Now, knowledge base is basically the knowledge that the chatbot will have that it uses to respond to people that are coming to the website. Completely unrehearsed. That's what you get. Surprises. So I'm copying this, and then I'm going to use this information. Let's close that to train this GPT. So I go to integration here, OpenAI. I'm just taking you behind the scenes so you see exactly what we do. Okay. Just making sure. Okay. Now let me see if the website doesn't. I would expect them to. Okay, it didn't go here. I would expect them to actually have the. Oh, they didn't put the address. Oh yeah, there it is. It's in Cape Town. So I will have to add this. In fact, you know what? I'm going to use this. I'll call the data that's on here. That next URL, and I'll put this in there. Just gonna scrape all of it. And let's see if we can just create a new knowledge base. Hey, what just happened? I'm not sure if it actually got no, it didn't. Okay. Okay, let's just go old fashioned. I'll just copy like the text as is. Copy all. In fact, let me see. Okay, good. Let's do this. Boom. I don't need this. Just need the data up to here. And then I will go to, let's go to ChatGPT and make a, where is ChatGPT? I thought I had it. So it's ChatGPT. I'm just going to have ChatGPT format the text that I have so that I just add it to my knowledge base. Okay. Good. So it's putting all the data there. Good. Now it's in a nice format that I can use. So I'm going to come here. So this would be of the profile. I'm going to slot it in here. Poof. Okay, good. Yeah, I think this is all the information that it needs. This is a basic chatbot anyway, so like I would put in a lot more work if I was like maybe hired by some, but this company had hired me to do this. Right now, I'm just doing a very basic one. So let's open the GPT and okay, good. So okay, good. Now it's actually trained. I'll show you something interesting. We can actually start working with it. But first, I want to test it. So what I will do is I will take the link for the welcome message. Let's get that link, copy, and then let's basically go there. Oh wow, it has all of this on it. Don't want to do that. It's gonna get confused because now it has the other stuff from the things that I've spoken before. So first, let's just reset everything. I go to flow. I'm just going to. What am I? Yeah, inbox. I'm just going to delete this contact. Oh, I'm supposed to go to contact, not to inbox. Okay, select it and delete contact. Okay, good. So now when I enter this link, which is the link for the welcome message, yeah, good, it works. Okay, actually, you know what? I'm not going to do it like that. I'm going to do it like this. There's a feature that's on our website that can actually simulate what the bot is going to do and how it's going to work when it works. It's called Bot Simulator. So I'm going to use, right, so the website link is, I'll just use the home page. Copy that. This is the website link, and then I chatbot, website. Okay, add that. Solely chat. I'm just call it solely GPT. It's not chatty, it's solely GPT. Okay, good. Just going to use the welcome message and authorized website. It's going to be that website. I could add conversation starters, but it's fine. I already have a conversation starter from the welcome message because that's what's going to show up when you go in. Okay, good. So let's save this. And then now go back to website, the simulator, bot simulator. I'm going to create a link. Now, this is a link that I would send to a client I'm doing a demonstration for if I was doing a demonstration, which is basically what I'm going to use here. So now look at this magic. Oh, why is solid blocked? That's weird. That doesn't make sense at all. Okay, I can't demonstrate it that way. It's fine. I will just have to do you from the link then. When we're doing things live, well, surprises okay, like this one. So, but basically, this is what would happen. Okay, there would be a link that comes to the welcome message flow, which is this link. That link would be hooked up to a little icon that would be at the bottom. You've seen like other websites that actually have little chatbots that you can click. When you click on that, you can even set it up so that after maybe 20 seconds after the person is logged in, it pops open. And it will pop open like around here, like on the corner of the website. And then what you will get is basically this. So welcome, can we assist you today? And then you say, hi, I want to, not want to know your business location. Okay. It's located in Cape Town and that's the address. Okay, good. I could get there. Do you have, let me ask, what products do you have for home use? So instead of going through the website, I'm just asking the website to give me the data. So, okay, so they have a range of products for related to energy solutions. Okay, good. Solar panels, battery storage systems, complete solar systems, inverters, solar module system. If you have specific requirements and need more information about any of the products, feel free to ask. So let me say, do you I am looking for a complete solar system. Can you help me with that? Absolutely, I can assist you finding the right complete solar system of your needs. To get started, please provide me with some information about your electricity consumption, the size of your home, any specific requirements you may have. This will help me recommend the most. You see, now I'm actually being interviewed by this bot, and I feel like I'm engaged. I am closed. I'm not going to look for the next website. I've already given them this information. I'm already in too deep, so to speak. So what's going to happen is I can just go, can I just schedule an appointment with one of your specialists to go over that. Boom. Now you're connected to a human agent who will assist you in scheduling an appointment with one of our specialists. Now, this is because I haven't set it up to handle this anyway. So it's the chatbot and I'm just deciding, okay, this is how I'm going to do this, how I'm going to handle this. But what would happen is in behind the scenes, this conversation has already been taken out, like has already been escalated to one of the agents, like one of your live agents. So they will know instantly, okay, we need to do so. There's a person on like online who's actually interested or whatever, and then they actually take that up. You can also set it up with something which is amazing called a function. Let me just demonstrate that as well. What the functions do is they teach your bot how to handle specific situations. Like for instance, this person is asking about booking an appointment. So if there's a specific thing, a specific way of handling that you have, like for instance, if someone wants to book an appointment, I would need to have some information about them. So let's call this function book appointment. Allows the user to book an appointment, and then I want some data. Obviously, I'm going to need the user name. So this would be, let's just say full name. I'm just telling the GPT what information to ask for and where to save it. So it's going to ask for the person's full name and then the full name in a field called full name. Okay, so it stores it in full name. And then I'm also going to need the email. So this is the user, and it's going to be stored in email. I'm going to need the phone number as well. Phone number. And that is going to go to phone. You see, what flow is triggered, I'm going to leave that like that, and then an agent will contact you to confirm the appointment. So the person knows to expect that. Now, the beautiful thing about this is it's not going to use this exact text all the time. It just knows that, okay, now I need to tell the person that someone's going to call them, so they should expect a phone call. Which means if they've given me a phone number that's incorrect, this is also going to make them like, oh my gosh, they're going to phone in and I won't be able to. I need this information. Then, oh, by the way, my phone number I gave you, the phone number I gave you is incorrect. Please update it to this one because it's GPT, it's AI. It's going to be able to pick up like, okay, here's the correct number and then update it. It's actually quite cool. So let's do that. So now let's activate this. I'm just going to activate this for the chatbot. You can put a function specifically for specific flows, but what I'm doing right now is for the whole chatbot, I'm going to add this function book appointment. Now, this bot not only answers people's queries, but now it is going to have the ability to book appointments. Okay, let's come back to this conversation we had. Sorry. I would like to book the appointment now. That's what happens. Usually I clear out all the previous conversations. Oh, okay, this conversation has already been handed over to a person. So we need to give it back to the AI. Okay, so boom, transfer is active. Okay, so let's say that again. I would like to book an appointment now, please. Okay, now it's typing. Like, your appointment request has been successful, so Richard will contact you to shortly confirm the appointment. You have more questions. Okay, that's because it's already been done there. Okay, good. Now, what I'm going to do is there's a feature that we have which I can't reach. Let's hide that. Okay, there's a feature that we have here. I'm just going to wipe the chatbot's memory, like that conversation, because now it's affecting like whatever else I add. Hello, sorry. So this would be like a new conversation now. Okay, good. I would like to book an appointment with someone about my specific solar needs. Hmm. Okay, it seems like yeah. Okay, I need to just delete the whole conversation because my function is not kicking in, and I think it's because there's been a lot of to and fro. Okay, let's make sure that we actually have. My biggest job is test. There's this one we have to do testing to make sure that everything works. Okay, so that function is there and it's loaded there. And let's see. But the beautiful thing about it, once everything has been done and it works correctly, you're all Gucci, man. It's like it just you don't have to keep going back. I mean, you can go back, like if for instance, I wanted to add more info things that I needed to get done, like to get like to make the function more effective or want to add more functions and things like that, then I would. Let's close this. Good. So let's go to the welcome message. Let's get that link again. Get link. I like using the actual live link. Okay, good. So I'm a new person now, and boom. Okay, good. I have a house that needs some solar power. That's great. You're interested in solar power. So how can I answer this you? Um, do you have someone that I could um, book an appointment with to go over my specific needs? Can I see what it says? Okay. For some reason, this flow. Oh, of course. Rookie mistake. Now, this is what I haven't done. So I created the and I've told the bot that when what to do if a person the bot now knows if there's a person booking an appointment. These are the things I'm supposed to do, but it doesn't know. I haven't added that to its knowledge base. If that makes any sense. So it's a skill, like an ability to book appointments, but it doesn't know that it should use that as yet. So when you've added the function, you're supposed to go back to the thingy, the knowledge base, and add uh, what we usually do is just write important. Important. Let's put some stars with it. When a user asks indicates that they want to book an appointment or to have someone make sure to get. So it's basically, I'm just go over what the function goes over. Make sure to get their full name, phone number, and email, and as well as their preferred, correct that, preferred appointment date and time. So we can follow up with them. Okay, good. That's the thing that's been missing. Okay, now that I've updated that, it should be all good. Now let's go back to this here. Okay, let's just start over. I need to clear that conversation. And I go to Zenflow, clear and delete. Okay, good. So that should be fine. I'm not sure if I still have the, oh yes, I still have the link for the chat. So a person has gone to the website, they arrived, and they're now giving it instructions. It's as if you're talking to a child, like a baby, and you have to be specific and say it. Okay, when you use a case that they want to book an appointment, make sure you to get, okay, let's change that. Make sure that you ask for their full name, phone number, email, as well as their preferred appointment date, so you can follow up. Okay, let's see if that helps. Okay, let's clear out this conversation and then let's try it again. Hi, I would like to book an appointment, please. Yes. You have to be specific. I said get. So what does ChatGPT do? It gets random details like John Doe's. It's a simple name and what an email would be like. So it gets it, but I have to tell it to ask for the person's full name, the information that I want. This is amazing. Now, okay, one, Sia Jones. That's my name. Email Sia at jones.com, and let's just write the number 078 123 1234. So it has the email and it checks it, it sees it. It's like, okay, I want book for 12. Let's make it 13. 1 o'clock on the 12th, 12th, on 12th May 2024. 12th May 24. Okay, thank you, Sergio, for booking your appointment on 12th May 2024. An agent will contact you shortly to confirm your appointment details. If you have any more questions or need any further assistance, feel free to let me know. That is okay. Thank you for your assistance. But how are you still at work so late? Let's see what it says. Okay, good. You an AI or a real person? I'm AI assisted. Boom! Wow, you are good. I thought I was talking to a person all along. Thank you and good night. Thank you for the kind words. I'm glad to assist you effectively. If you ever you need to in the future, don't hesitate to reach out. Have a wonderful night. Okay, good. So end of conversation. Now in the morning, this person is waiting. Sia Jones is waiting for a call. Now let's look at what your receptionist is going to find in the morning when he arrives at work. Is going to find this. The time and the contact, what that the contact was made, and the local time, the phone number, the email, the name, and the whole conversation. Okay, so he just called and wanted to book an appointment. Okay, so I've got someone who needs to book like wants to see one of our guys who's available. Sipo, like, the next person is mine. Okay, good. Sipo, here's the contact details. Sipo, the agent calls the person, confirms the appointment, and he says he wants to see us on the 12th of May. And Sipo, I'm not post on the 12th of May. I'm on leave for my daughter's soccer practice or soccer game. Okay, fine. So, Jeremy, you have to take this over then. Yeah, sure, I'll take it over. Okay, good. So it's you have to confirm it. It's 12. It's on the 12th at 1. Okay, fine. And then takes it up and confirms it. Just like that. And that is basically like superpowers for your business right there. Now, here's another thing that I haven't said. If you go to your emails, I'm just going to go to my emails. You will find an thing. There's a new message from Chatbot Builder AI, which is the platform I'm using, and it says, new message, there's this person, he said he wants to book an appointment now. view conversation. So when there's this conversation happening, you have this push message that comes to your email, and you can actually see like while you're at home. Oh, okay, good. You can actually view the conversation while you're at home, and it just logs you in, and then boom, you know what's going on. It's just like power right there. Okay, I don't want to actually like I can actually go and actually check it out. But basically that's that. Now, what have we done? The company here has been advertising on social media and all over the place. Now, someone, a hot prospect who has money to spend, who's frustrated at uh, 8 p.m. while they're trying to watch TV, primetime TV, the power just went out. And he's like, "Ugh, I've been, and then the wife is like, you were supposed to have done that solar power thing that our neighbors have, and you haven't done it. Why? And then the husband's like, okay, fine, I'll do it now. And then he comes on the website and he's like, I'm tired. I don't really want. Oh, there's a chat thingy, and he clicks on the chat bot, and then boom. I don't want to do many things. I just want an appointment. I already know exactly what I want, and then that's the conversation. The information is just passed over right there and there, and then you wake up in the morning the following day. Someone can actually call Sia Jones and make money. Now, this is how we can give your website superpowers. There's you have ChatGPT for your business, and there's a whole lot of things that you can use this for. I mean, you already have like you can even have like a way to know what people are looking for when they come on your website. Now, that's basically what it is. You can learn how the system works. There's courses that are available that you can do. You can study it on like online, or you can actually book my services too, and I can actually help you with creating the chatbot for you as well. Or I can work as a consultant and help you. There's a lot of things that we can do. We've got like um, a massive community where we actually like help each other and make sure that we help our customers get the best service that they get. But basically, at the end of the day, it's all about you as the user. This is yeah, this is basically where we're at right now. I just wanted to just do that demonstration, a real life demonstration. This is actually what happens when when I'm creating a bot. Like there's stuff comes up and this is not working. I have to find why it's not working. And then, but now it's at a point where it actually works. I can actually create another. I can actually create another conversation with someone else, and boom, it will work. So then you hand it over, and you can actually start using it. But as soon as like right now, you could actually go and speak to this chatbot and it will actually converse with you as we speak. Anyway, that's what I wanted to show you today. So that's it for now. Thank you very much.